Joint Action Committee, which is also known as JAC, would humbly request each and every Momin of our country to come forward and donate for this noble cause. You have been doing such a wonderful job by donating us, but still I request each and everyone to help generously. Why not it is even 10 rupees? We want the donation from each and every pocket. With this money, we have saved a lot of lives, and in future also, we want to save many lives. With your one donation, many houses can be saved. Think of those orphans who have lost their parents. Think of those who have lost their loved ones in this pandemic. Our heart goes out to see those families who are really trembling because of this situation. My once again appeal for you to please come forward and donate. And I also want to highlight you this. We have a ijaza from Agha Sistani's office that Sahme Imams Fund can be given to the COVID pandemic about 50% of the Sahme Imams. So this permission is also there. Whoever has got this home's money can donate to this, to everybody in the world. Not only, I'm not asking only for Joint Action Committee. Please help every citizen or every human life in this world. There is a saying, those who saves one life, it is equal to saving the humanity.
Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa bihi nasta'in. Assalamu alaikum, all viewers. This is a humble request on behalf of Joint Action Committee of Bangalore. It comprises of all the registered and active Anjuman Idaras of Bangalore city. We are into the services of humanity in this pandemic situation. Our humble request to all prospective donors, contributors, those who can contribute anything. We request you all, a humble request, to please come forward and contribute so that we can help the humanity. Humanity is in danger today because of this pandemic COVID-19. So that's why our humble request is to come forward in any form, any contribution. Let it be from food kits, ration kits, medical kits, oxygen cylinders, concentrators, or financial assistance, sustenance amount to the needy people, those who are downtrodden because of this pandemic and lockdown. Majority of the people have lost their jobs. Unemployment is really causing a lot of trouble. So before it worsens, my humble request to all the viewers, those who are watching this, my humble request to all the viewers to please come forward and contribute in a large way so that we can help the humanity in this pandemic situation. Thank you very much.